Next point is discuss. First, explain importance of plants. Answer. First, trees give us shade. Second, trees keep the atmosphere cool. Third, trees are helpful in bringing rain. Fourth, they stop soil erosion. Fifth, they give us fresh air. Sixth, they limit the desert. Seventh, they give us wood for fuel and furniture. 8. They give us medicine. 9. Plants give us food grains, pulse, vegetables, species and fruits. 10th one, plants give fragrant and colorful flowers that increase the beauty of our surroundings. Okay. Second question is importance of animals. Animals like cow, buffaloes and goat give us milk. Animals like ox, horse, donkey and camels are used to carry heavy loads and humans from one place to another. Animals like ox and buffaloes are used in agriculture. Animals like camels and horse are used for riding and going from one place to another. Dog look after our houses. Manure is made from the waste of animals. When animals die, their hide can be used for making articles like belts, bags, shoes, wallet, etc. Sheep give us wool. Creatures like crow, vultures and kite eat the dead and decaying animals and make our earth clean. Hence, lays eggs which are used as food. Birds like mehna eat the insects that harm crops and hence help farmers. Birds and animals help in the spreading of seeds. Earthworm and snakes are helpful in farming. Okay? Next, there are two friends. They decide to grow neem tree in the school. टू फ्रेंड्स थे, उसने डिसाइड किया हम अपनी स्कूल में नीम ट्री लगाएंगे. दे ब्रॉट एंड प्लांट इट. उन्होंने नीम ट्री का पौधा खरीदा और स्कूल के अंदर लगाया. वन डे दे सो दैट अ गोट वॉज गोइंग टू ईट इट. एक दिन उसने देखा कि गोट है उसे खाने जा रही थी. Immediately, both the friends made a fence around it. तुरंत दोनों फ्रेंड ने चारों ओर घेरा बना लिया. दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रोटेक्शंस ऑफ अ प्लांट. उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? प्रोटेक्शंस ऑफ अ प्लांट. फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ अ प्लांट, फर्टिलाइजर्स, वाटरिंग, प्लगिंग इज डन, विच इज कॉल्ड ब्रीडिंग. और पौधे को तैयार करने के लिए खाद, पानी और प्लगिंग करना पौधे का संवर्धन यानी कि ब्रीडिंग कहा जाता है. Elephant says, Bolu, now have you understood the meaning of conversations and breeding? एलिफेंट ने भोलू से कहा, अब समझ में तुझे आया द मीनिंग ऑफ कन्वर्जेशंस एंड ब्रीडिंग. Bolu says, "Yes, Elephant Dada, now I have understand properly." बोलू ने एलिफेंट दादा से कहा, हाँ मुझे अब अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया. एलिफेंट सेज, नाउ सेज, व्हाट विल यू डू फॉर आवर कन्वर्जेशंस एंड ब्रीडिंग? एलिफेंट ने बोलू से कहा, तो अब कहो कन्वर्जन्स एंड ब्रीडिंग के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? बोलू सेज, टेल दादा, व्हाट शुड वी डू? कहो दादा, क्या करना चाहिए? एलिफेंट सेज, डिस्कस विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड मेक अ नोट योरसेल्फ. अपने फ्रेंड के साथ डिस्कस करो और नोट बनाओ. बोलू सेज, यस, बाय बाय एलिफेंट दादा. नेक्स्ट इज राइट what will you do for conversions and breeding of animals, birds and plants? Answer. For the conversions and breeding of animals, birds and plants, we will plant trees near our school and home, erect fence near plants and supply them with water and manure. Remove the grass growing around a plant. Take precautions that nobody plucks the flowers or leaves of the plants. Arrange water tank for drinking water for animals. We will spread food grains at places where birds regularly come. I will hang birds' baths with my school and home and regularly fill water in them. We will get the birds that got hurt by kite strings in Uttarayan season or otherwise treated. We will give fodder to cow and other animals in my locality. And we will offer milk to cats and other small animals in my locality. Okay? Next point is think and say. First question, which plants have you sown in the school? In our school, answer, in our school we have planted sapling like periwinkle, rose, tulsi, lily, etc. And the samplings of trees like mango tree, neem tree, asopalo tree, etc. Okay, now second question, what is to be done to sow the sapling? Answer, for sowing the saplings of trees and plants, first of all we choose the appropriate place and then dig pits over there. If the saplings come in a plastic bag, we will remove the plastic bag and then plant the saplings in the prepared pits. Then fill the pit with mud. Now we will water the plants regularly and also add manure at defined intervals. Third, which animals are kept in zoo? Answer, different types of animals and birds are kept in the zoo. Wild animals like wolf, nilgai, tiger, lion, deer, fox, monkeys, etc. And aquatic animals like fish, turtles, crocodiles, seals, water snakes, etc. are kept there. Next point is discuss. First point is sanctuary. Sanctuary is a place in which wild animals can roam freely without any fear. They breed there and hence their number increase. There are certain rules followed in a sanctuary due to which is possible. Second, zoo. At times, various animals are kept in a place where the conditions are made appropriate for the animals to live and breed. There, they can live safely and their numbers can also increase. These animals are exhibited for public. This place is called a zoo. Third, nursery. Nursery is a place where different plants are prepared by either growing them for seeds or by other scientific techniques from the already existing plants. From here, different plants are given to organizations either free on government's grant or at very low price. These organizations then plants this in many locations and take care of them is called a nursery. Okay. Now chapter 5 is over.